I'm Senator Mike Gabbard, representing District 20 and Chair of the Senate Committee on Agriculture and Environment. As a legislator appointed to work with the interagency Hawaii Invasive Species Council, I'm pleased to help announce award winners as part of Hawaii Invasive Species Awareness Month, a time where we recognize individuals and organizations who help address invasive species impacts in Hawaii. The winner of the 2022 Oʻahu MVP award is Protect and Preserve Hawaiʻi. Protect and Preserve Hawaiʻi is a nonprofit organization dedicated to making Hawaii a better place. After purchasing 330 acres of conservation land in Pia Valley, Tyrone Montayre created this nonprofit and began working evenings and weekends with goals of sustainability and restoration. Since 2019, Protect and Preserve Hawaiʻi has helped connect the community to AINA-based stewardship through volunteer days on their property. Volunteers clear invasive species that have negative impacts on our watersheds and replace them with native plants, which help mitigate erosion and help promote habitats for other native species to thrive. Protect and Preserve Hawaiʻi also links the community to the broader conservation world, so that in turn, they learn more about our island home. They have monthly guest speakers at their events who are experts in many of the activities. Protect and Preserve also links people with cultural practice through ʻuhao Humu Pohaku, the art of dry stack masonry. So aloha, congratulations to Protect and Preserve Hawaiʻi, and to everyone, happy Hawaii Invasive Species Awareness Month. Please visit hisc.hawaii.gov for more awards and educational talks on invasive species work in Hawaii. Aloha and mahalo.